Hey everyone, Anthony here with another tech tip of the day. Do you guys ever wonder where all of your space goes on your computer? Do you feel like after a year or two of using it that there's just no hard drive space left? Well, there are actually a couple of really simple tools that you can use to find out where all that space is being taken up and then delete the files or do whatever you want with that information. For Windows, you have a program called WinDirStat, all one word, WinDirStat. And what that does is you go to windirstat.net, you download the program, you install it. Once you install it, you open it up. It's going to ask you what hard drive that you want to scan and find out where all the space is being taken up. In most cases, you're only going to have one hard drive unless you have a more, I guess, serious, not really serious build, but unless you're a little more techy and you have 2 or 3 hard drives. So just go ahead and click OK because by default it's going to say all hard drives and that'll scan your one main hard drive. It's going to take a minute. It could take up to 10 minutes to run. You'll see what looks like little Pac-Man guys going back and forth like this, and you'll see numbers going, and you'll see that it's running. After about 10 minutes, you should see 5 minutes on average. You should see it stop. It won't be doing anything anymore, and then you could take a look, and it actually has folder by folder by folder on your computer, and it gives you a percentage of what is how much space that folder is using up of your hard drive. So for instance, you have your C drive, which that's everyone's main drive. You go to the C drive, it should say taking up like 88%, 99%, or 75%, somewhere above 70% on average of your hard drive space. Double click it, and then it's going to drill down and it'll show you in that hard drive where all your space is being taken up, whether it's in your program files, your My Documents, your My Pictures. You'll actually be able to see folder by folder where all your space is being taken up, and then you can clean out your computer. Some people don't realize it, but there's what's called temporary files or your recycling bin. There's so many places where a lot of junk gets stored, and by just removing it, you could clear sometimes up to 50 gigs off of your computer, which is huge for some people if they only have like an 100 gig hard drive. That's half the space cleared up. So that's a very useful tool. That one is only on Windows. However, there is a Mac alternative. That one, I have it right here. It is called Disk Inventory X, and you're just going to go to derlien.com, DERLIEN.com. You go there, download it, same company, well, same people. It's actually not made by a company. All of these are open source, I believe. So you open it up, you install it, you open it up. It's going to ask you the same thing, what hard drive you want to scan. Just click OK by default. It's going to give it 5 to 10 minutes, just like the Windows one. When you come back and it's not doing anything anymore, you'll be able to see folder by folder where all of your space is being taken up. And then you can clear it out or do whatever you want with it. I mean, if you see that all your space is being taken up in My Pictures and you have a bunch of pictures in there, it might be a good idea to invest in an external hard drive, plug that into your computer, and drag all those pictures off onto that hard drive so it's not taking up all the room on your computer. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. Stay tuned and watch me live tomorrow for another tip. All right, have a good night.